Sneezing, watery eyes, a stuffy head. If you have ever had a sinus infection, you know how miserable they can be. Chronic sinus infections affect more than 28 million Americans. And now, instead of surgery, some doctors are using a balloon to clear the air. Marcy Walsh is training for a big hike. 1 year ago, she could barely get out of bed. Her sinuses really slowed her down with constant infections.
I would have one and then it would come back 3 weeks later. It would come back again.
Instead of sinus surgery, Marcy's doctor used this device to perform what's called a balloon sinuplasty.
I mean, having something put up your nose is not something you look forward to.
Doctors insert the device into the sinus opening. At the top left corner, you can see the balloon expanding inside the nose. This restructures the tissue, opening up the passageways.
We're able to really change the dynamic because we're not hurting the tissue, it's very minimally invasive, and it really changes how we can address things.
Dr. Scott Powell says the balloon clears the sinus pathway so the common cold won't turn into a severe infection that requires antibiotics.
I have a life again. I remember a year where I just laid in bed feeling so little energy that I couldn't even get up.
Now that her sinus problems have taken a hike, she's ready to get back on course. And Dr. Powell says the sinus path will stay open permanently as long as other inflammation issues are addressed. The procedure takes about 45 minutes and can be performed right there in the doctor's office. We'll be right back.